Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the topic on what are all the types of backups, Expdp backup in Oracle database. So we have like so many backup types in Oracle database. This command is used like in all the versions, like starting from 10G2 till 20. So starting from 11G2 till 21C, we can use this. Commands for taking the expdb backups. Expdb is nothing but export backup. So first I will tell you what in Oracle database what all types of backups are there. One is like export import backup and another one is Arman backup. Arman backup is nothing but it is a physical backup and export import is a logical backup. So logical in the sense it will take the like a backup in dump file, like in dump file format, and whereas the Arman backup will be taken in taken through the backup pieces in form of backup pieces that I will discuss in later video in detail. So today topic is about like types of backups in Oracle. I mean export backups in Oracle. So we have like so many types. So the first type is like how to take the schema backup, and we have like how to take the table backup, and how to take the full database backup, and how to take the schema backup excluding index, and how to take the schema backup including table. Like what it will do, like in schema it will take everything like index, constraints, all those kind of job except the table. And how to take the metadata backup. Metadata backup is nothing but it's only the it will take only the structure of the table, whatever the objects are there, it will take only those structure. So, and how to take the data only backup. Data only backup is nothing but it will skip the structure and it will take only the data. And how to take the schema backup with flashback option. So flashback is nothing but using flashback SEN, we will take the consistent backup. So yeah, and let's start with the first one. So I am logging to my database. Yeah, I will make the screen as big. So before logging to the database, as a DBA, you need to check like in which database you have logged in. So that to avoid mistakes, you have to cross check whenever you log into database whether you have logged into the correct DB or not. So how you can check that? Can check using this command like select name comma open underscore mode one database underscore row from vdownload database. Yeah. So these commands give you like the name of the database and what mode it is. It is read-write mode. So always primary database will be in read-write mode, and database rule. It is whether it is a primary database or standby database. So yeah, we have connected to the correct DB. So now we will take the export. Okay. Yeah. See, first we'll start with schema backup. Okay. So before that, I will explain about this parameter, each and every command. So I will explain there in the command prompt. See, yeah. So in this, what is expdp is the utility to take the backup of the schema. Okay. So dump file. Dump file is nothing but where the data are stored in this dump file in this format. And log file. Log file is nothing but the logs will be generated for this schema backup. So how it taken? It will be generated in that log file. And parallel is nothing but you have to increase the speed of the operation. Like I have given like 4. Like you can give this parallel based on your CPU performance. Even if you give more parallel also, it will slow down your system. This schema only we are going to take. The schema name is HR. So directory you have to create before doing Expdp backup. You have to take a directory. You have to create a directory that I have created before itself. So creating directory, how will you create? So you can create like this, like create or replace directory. Directory name we have to give. I have given like kabai3 as you have to mention the path. So the path I'm giving here is this path I'm giving. So I'm copying this path, I'm putting here. So create or replace directory kabai3 as directory path. You have to give like this. So the directory is created. So the directory name is kabai3. Okay. So the directory is nothing but in this location only those dump file will be stored here. Okay. So we will start with the first backup. So we are going to start the schema backup. So yeah, let's enter this. You have to give the password. I am giving the sys database password. So always for all database, sys database password will be like this, like sys/sys as sysdba. You can use the same password. So now it's taking the schema backup. Under schema, it will take everything like index, tables, and constraints, procedure, everything it will take. See here, it is taking for table, views, everything. So these are all the tables are getting exported. This is like a very small schema size, so it will complete faster. So it has taken the table export now. So everything it will take like index it will take, constant it will take, triggers it will take. So everything it will be take, but it won't be displayed here. Only the schema, table backup, and all those things will be displayed. But other things it will display like this processing. Once this processing completed, it means that the backup is completed. So now we have taken the schema backup where it will store. Schema backup will be stored in the location where the directories that we have created. For example, see this is the place where I have created the dump, right? So it is stored here in this name. See dump file name, whatever I have given. So this is about like how to take the schema backup. So next topic I'm going to take like how to take the table backup, table level backup. So let's start. See, same like this. For schema backup, what we have given expdb. Expdb is nothing but the utility to take the backups. So dump file and dump file name I have given as table underscore percentage u dot dmp. This percentage u dot dmp, why we are giving this like if you give percentage u dot dmp, it will split into many dumps. So in maximum like in database, the dump file there will be a limit for the dump file size. If it exceed that backup will fail. So we are giving this percentage u dot dump. So log file. So log file name I'm giving like the country dot underscore table dot log. Country is the table name which we are going to take. And parallel I have given 4 and table name is hr dot countries. This is the table name. For the table name, before giving the table name, you have to mention the schema name. HR is the schema dot table name. The country is the table name. And I am giving the directory. So let's take a backup now. See, it is taking only the backup. Earlier, it took everything. In schema, it took everything. Like what are all the objects are available in that schema, it took everything like table, index, constraint, triggers, and all these things it has taken. But here we have given only the table name. So it is taken only the table export. So this is how we take the backup of particular table. Okay, so next we are going to take a topic on this full DB backup. How to take the full DB backup. Sorry, mistake. I spoke. Copy this. See, same like this. For full DB backup, you have to give the utility name expdp dump file equal to full. This dump file will be the naming expansion you can give by yourself. Like I have given for my reference, I have given like full so that I can understand the dump is for full DB. And log file also you can give your name, whatever the name which you feel. And parallel same I have given 4 based on my CPU configuration. Full equal to my means it will take the entire database backup. It will take schemas, all schemas backup, table, everything. Like everything will be taken logically for this backup and directory. This is the directory. So I'm going to start. So it will take some 2 to 3 minutes of time. See, it is taking everything. See, from grants, roles, table space quota, everything it will take. Statistic, directory path, views. So for fresher, these topics are very, very useful. Those who are joined as L1DB, it will be like very useful for them. So in next video, I will take a topic on this import job. This one is for exports. See, it is taking constraint, table, views, procedures. So now all this thing it will take. See, for all schema testing, see, even sys system. Yeah, it is completed. So it is created some for them file. See, you can see for them file full equal to. We can see this dump file in our export location. See, full one, full two, full three, and full four. So this is how we take the backup for full DB. So next topic we are going to take on this how to take schema backup that we have taken already, but I will exclude the index in that. You can take the entire schema backup, but it won't take the index alone. Same like this in schema backup, we are giving the expdp is the utility and dump file name. Dump file name is the naming conversion of that dump. For example, I've given like schema dot underscore u dot dump. I have given like that. And also I will mention like exclude so that you will know exclude. This is for excluding the index. Log file is equal to hr.schema.log parallel schema is equal to this and exclude equal to index. So I am going to start. So this will take the entire schema backup and it will exclude the index alone. See, here you can see no index will be there, only table. You don't see any index, right? Because it has excluded those index in this schema. So it is taken tables on all other objects like views, trigger, constraints, procedures. So all other objects it has taken. Yeah, now it is completed. So the dump files are stored in this name, schemas, exclude, and all these things. So it is stored here in this location. See, yeah. So this is about like how to take schema backup, excluding the index. So next topic, like take how to take schema backup, include only table. It won't take any other object. In previous topic, we saw like how to exclude. Now we have taken like how to include. Include is nothing but it will take only those items which you have mentioned in include. For example, expdp is the utility. Okay, dump file name is the name which you given to store in that dump. So I have given like schema underscore exclude percentage u dot dump. Here only those like dumps will be stored. Logical dumps. Logical dumps is nothing but the backup of that table or index, whatever it is. So log file. Log file is the log generated for that schema. So here we are going to take the schema backup, but we are including only the table. So the parallel I have given 4 and schema is equal to HR. This HR is the schema name and directory is this one. Kabai3 is the directory which I have created before and include equal to table. This is the main thing. So include equal to table, if you give, it will take only the schema. I mean, only the table. So let's start. See, you can see, right? It has taken only the table. See, it is taking only the table, right? So, and these dump files are stored. This is the location I've created in the directory. In this location, D export schemas. So here it will be stored. You can see here. See the schemas, include schema. It is there already. And this is the log file. In log file, you can see each and everything like logs, how it went, the export went. So if any issues, you can find here. So next topic we are going to take about how to take the metadata backup. Metadata backup is nothing but how to take the metadata backup. Like metadata is nothing but we will take only the structure. For example, we are going to take the schema backup, but in the schema backup, it will take only the structure. So I will show you here in the database. Okay. See here expdp is the utility for taking the export and dump file is equal to schema. One second. Yeah. See expdp and dump file is equal to schema name underscore metadata I'm giving like here I'm giving like to understand like which dump I have taken the data the data. So schema it will take the only the metadata. Metadata is nothing but the structure, table structure, index structure, all these things it will take. And log file. Log file equal to schema underscore log score metadata. So this is the log for this dump file. Dump file is nothing but where the backups are stored. And parallel I have to increase, this is to increase the operation. I have given 4 and schema is equal to HR is the schema and directory that I have already created, that is by 3 and content equal to metadata only. So this is the main thing. The content, if you mention this content is equal to metadata, it will take only the structure. Num file is not recognized. Schema underscore metadata. So what I will do, I will change the dump file name. I will copy this. Yeah. So let's start. See it, now it is taking the export. So it is taking only the metadata, not data. Metadata is nothing but the structure of the table, index, everything, which is taking. Yeah, this is completed. And this will be stored in this location, the directory location, which I have already created in D drive. Let's see the latest log. You can see here, schema. Yeah. So this is how to take the metadata backup. So how will you take the schema backup with data only? Earlier we have taken like how to take the schema backup with structure metadata only. Now we are going to take like how to take the schema backup with metadata only. Sorry, let me copy this. Yeah. So I will explain you the command like expdp is the utility to take the export, and dump file is this dump file name we have to mention, and dump file name we are going to take the schema backup with data only. I'm mentioning here as data only because to easily understand the dump file so that we will know this backup is taken only for the data, not for the metadata. And log file. Log file is the this is the log file name. I'm mentioning here as data only so that I can understand easily. And parallel equal to 4. Okay. And schema is equal to HR, and directory is equal to kabay3, content equal to data only. Parallel is nothing but to increase the speed of this operation. Schema is equal to the schema name. Directory is equal to the directory name which we have created. And content, this is the main thing. The content equal to data only. So it will take only the data. It will leave the structure. It will take only the data. Sometimes like as a DBA, the application team will ask only the data. They won't ask the structure. So you have to take only this thing, only the data. See here it taken only the data, table data. Yeah. So next topic is on how to take the schema backup with flashback option. Flashback is nothing but the consistent backup. So whatever the when you take the export, what at that time whatever the object was there at that time, it will take that accurate backup. So that is called like consistent backup. So here it is there like flashback equal to SCN. How will you take this flashback SCN? So in data, we have to log in this database before doing this consistent backup. You have to take the flashback SCN for that, SCN number for that. Select current SCN from $V database. So this is the command to take the SCN of the in data which is available in the database. So it will be frequently changing in every seconds. So this is the one for the current one which I have taken. For example, if I give now, see, immediately it has changed from 906 to 913. So this number you have to add in this export while taking the export, the Expdp, you have to add there. So I have prepared this command already. So I will explain you each and every command. See, this is Expdp. This is Expdp utility to take the export path, and dump file is the schema. So dump file is the dump file name where the data are stored. I have given like schema underscore flashback to understand this is for this is taken with the flashback option. A log file is equal to the schema dot hr dot schema dot log. I will mention like hr dot flashback so that to understand. So this log is used for logs, and parallel is to increase the speed of the export, that is parallel equal to 4, and schema is equal to hr is the schema name which I've given, directory with that we have already created, that is by 3. This is the main thing. The flashback SCN is equal to the SCN number which we have taken from the database to make that backup consistent. Yeah, so we'll take the backup. See, now it is taking the backup, schema backup, that is consistent backup. So accurate, whatever at that point of time it is there, it will come. Even if the user modifies something, it won't take that at that time. For example, you have taken backup at 135. At that time, whatever the data was available, it will take only those. It won't take the new one. It's called consistent backup. Yeah. So this backup is completed, and this will be stored in this location below location directory location. So expdp. So this is the path, like in D drive, export them schemas, flashback. So in this location, it will store in D drive, export them path. See, I will show you. See, the schema flashback. So here it will store. So this topic is all about like how to take the different types of export backups. So in next topic, I will take the topic on how to import this backup, which we have taken already. We have taken export, and next topic I will explain about how to import this backup. And before this, you can subscribe my channel for like for more videos so that you can learn this DBA course with free of cost. So please share and subscribe to my channel, and please share to your friends so that those who are interested to learn this DBA course, they can learn with free of cost. So I need you guys support to make me more and more videos. So please subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.